Welcome back to another video here detailing this Gary. So we're going to be changing the oil, so we're going to tell you where it's located. So right now I'm going to go down here and then just basically show you with the camera. So on this area is where you should jack it up. That's why those two holes are there for your jack stand. And then after you do that, you're just going to put something on the bottom so the car doesn't fall. So then your filter should be right here, and then your oil plug should be here. So we're going to be using a torque spit just because the other one doesn't work. So I'm going to check out the size right now. Alright guys, so the size for the torque spit is basically a T40. So just basically followed it with like a wrench. So then lefty loosey. So since you're on the bottom, it'll basically be up. So I basically removed that, and then as soon as I got it loose, I kind of moved the phone over with the little oil drain thing. So that way I could just take off the bolt and basically just let all the oil out. So after I kind of get it loose, somewhere around there, it's already loose right there. So then I'll remove it, and then I'm just basically get it loose, pour everything out there, let it sit for about 5 minutes till it completely drains, and then we're gonna remove the oil filter, which is the same process. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got it off. It's kind of draining. And next we're gonna remove the filter. That should be a little bit easier. It was harder to remove the plug, but next time we'll basically just do that, and then we'll go in reverse order to basically put everything back together, and then basically just hand tight, nothing too crazy. So then to add the oil, you just basically twist that one way, and then it should come off right there. Next, you're either going to take a funnel, or if you could, it's not too windy, and if you could try to nail it in there without a funnel, you can. But then it's going to take up 4 quarts, so then there should be one left. So it should be basically 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be about this much left. So I got that oil filter off nice and easy, and then I put it back on. I couldn't really record that, so sorry about that. But here we're just pouring our 5W30 oil, and then it took about 4 quarts. So then just wipe everything off. Always make sure you clean your funnel, so that way when you use it next time, it's nice and clean. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I kind of forgot to make the outro, so I'm making it right now. But make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more content, and see you guys next time. Peace.